Hello everyone, welcome to our new series, Places in News. In this series, we aim to cover the highlighted places of current importance. We will briefly discuss the location, the geographical importance of the areas in news. Let us discuss the first place, that is Sea of Japan. Now this was in news recently as a Russian submarine launched a cruise missile from the Sea of Japan as a part of the drill. If we locate the Sea of Japan on the map, it is the branch of Western Pacific Ocean. In the north, it is connected by Okhotsk Sea via the Leperos and the Tatar Straits. Now, a strait is a narrow passage of water that connects two seas or two large water bodies. In the south, it is joined with East China Sea via the Tsushima Strait and the Korea Strait. The east side of Sea of Japan has the Japanese archipelago and the Sakhalin Island, and to the west, it is joined by Russia and Korea. The Sea of Japan is also known as the East Sea. Now, if you see in the map, you can locate the Kuril Islands, which are marked in red in the map. Now, this area is a part of conflict between Russia and Japan. It is held by Russia, but claimed by Japan as its northern territories. Now, let's discuss Chile or Republic of Chile. It is situated in South America, the capital city being Santiago. It was in news recently as Gabriel Boric won the Chile's presidential election to become the country's youngest ever leader. Now, if you look in the map, Chile is joined by Peru and Bolivia in the north and Argentina in the east. In the west, it is bordering Pacific Ocean, and to the south, Cape Horn is the southernmost part of Chile. It is a high wind region which is located on the small Hornos Island. Now, let's discuss some of the key geographical features. Chile has one of the longest coastlines in the world. It is the part of Lithium Triangle. Now, Lithium Triangle is an intersection of Chile, Bolivia and Argentina, which are known for high quality salt flats. There are three places in the country: Uyuni in Bolivia, Atacama in Chile, and Arizaro in Argentina, which contain over 45% of the known global lithium reserves of the world. Now, as we know, Atacama is a desert in Chile and it is the driest place on the earth. Also, the Andes mountain range run through the coast of Chile along with other 6 countries. The low point is Pacific Ocean and the high point is Nevado Ollas del Salado, and the longest river being River Loa. Now we'll discuss the Siberian region. Verkhoyansk, a town in Siberia, recorded a temperature of 38 degrees Celsius on June 20th, 2020, which is the highest temperature ever recorded in the Arctic region. The region is known for its short summers and brutally cold winters. A vast region of Russia and northern Kazakhstan is a part of the Serbian region. This region in the west has Ural Mountains, and in the east it has Pacific Ocean. To the north it is connected with Arctic Ocean, and to the south there is north central Kazakhstan and the borders of Mongolia and China. The major geographical features of the Siberian region are the Western Siberian Plateau and the Eastern Siberian Plateau. Also, the Trans-Siberian Railroad passes through it. This region has a low population density and has an abundance of soil variety, that is steppe, taiga and permafrost. Lake Baikal, which is the largest freshwater lake by volume, is located in this region. The river Yenisei divides Siberia into 2 parts, western and the eastern. It has huge natural gas abundance, and therefore Russia is one of the world's largest natural gas exporters because of its Siberian territories. The far eastern part of this region has been historically called as the Russian Far East. Also, the Trans-Siberian Railroad is the longest rail line in the world. Now let's move on to Philippines, the capital city being Manila. Philippines is an archipelago country. That means it is made up of number of islands. It is a part of Southeast Asia and is located in the Western Pacific Ocean. The name Philippines is derived from Philip II, who was the king of Spain during the Spanish colonization of the islands back in the 16th century. It is surrounded by Philippine Sea in the east, the Celebes Sea to the south, and the Sulu Sea to the southwest. Also, it is joined by the South China Sea to the west and the north. It shares its maritime borders with Taiwan and Japan in the north, Palau in the east, Indonesia, Malaysia and Brunei to the southwest, and Vietnam and China to the northwest. Philippines consists of more than 7,107 islands. It is also known as natural gateway to the East Asian economies. Now lastly, let's move on to the Central Asian region, Very recently, the third meeting of India Central Asia Dialogue was held in New Delhi. This Central Asian region comprises of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. It is bounded by Caspian Sea to the west and it borders western China to the east. In the north, there is Russia, and to the south, there is Iran, Afghanistan, and China. If we talk about the key features, about 60% of the region consists of desert land. The principal desert being the Karakum, occupying most of Turkmenistan, and the Kizilkum, covering much of the western Uzbekistan. The Fergana Valley is very significant as most of Uzbekistan is a desert, but the Fergana region in the eastern Uzbekistan is a fertile valley fed by two rivers, Naren Darya and the Kara Darya. The Teen Shan or the Tengri Tag mountain ranges are to the north, and the Gisar Mountains, which are a part of Pamir range, are to the south of this region. Fergana was and still is known as the food bowl of Central Asia. In 1494, at the age of 12, Babur, the founder of Mughal Empire, succeeded his father, Umar Mirza Sheikh, as the ruler of Fergana in the present-day Uzbekistan. And as we know, that in 1526, Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur crossed the Pamirs and the Hindu Kush ranges and came through the Khyber Pass to Panipat. So this ruler from Fergana changed the course of Indian history forever. The Central Asian region is important to India, as India was among the first countries to recognize the 5 Central Asian states. So this was our first edition of Places in News. You can drop your thoughts or recommendations in the comment section. Also, for regular updates, do follow us on our social media handles. The links are provided in the description box. We will see you with some other places in news in the upcoming video. Till then, take care and do stay tuned.